Whew! Hey, I know y'all like, why you keep popping up around that corner like that? What are you doing back there? I was on some Netflix and chill. I don't know why they call it that, obviously. Probably has some sexual connotations. I was more like Netflix, and then 5 hours later, I was like, oh my God, what time is it? Netflix sucked me in, but I was watching a terrific program. It's old, but people have been telling me about it, and I said, I got some free time, so I'm gonna watch it. Making a Murderer. Wow. I mean, it's got everything that I love in dramatic television programs. It's got murder. It's got fat white lawyers that sound like ladies when they talk. They got bad haircuts and missing teeth. It's got forensics, gas, chromatograph, mass spectrometer. That's for you forensics nerds out there. And my favorite element, it's got white people getting mistreated by the police. Come on, it's crazy. And matter of fact, when I got up, it was like a cliffhanger, so I got to get back down there and finish watching it because they were just about to set this young boy free after being in jail for all these years. They got to the top of the appeals court, and then at the end they were like, "Psych, you staying in there." And it kind of hurt my feelings, but kind of. So I'm gonna make myself French Martini, and we're gonna learn and teach you how I make one. It's one of my favorite drinks, and it's usually the drink that when I make it for some people, because there's so many variations of it, so you can add your own twist to it. But the way I make it, it really convinces people that I must know what I'm doing. So traditionally, the drink will utilize vodka, an orange liqueur, traditionally Grand Marnier, but I don't have any. I do have this blood orange liqueur, so it'll be the first time I'm making this cocktail with this liqueur. And then Chambord and sour mix, which I made myself. Lemon, lime, simple syrup. It goes in a martini to finish, so we're gonna build in a shaker and learn together. Yeah, I can't believe they ain't let that little boy out of jail, man. It's messed up. He obviously didn't know what he was doing. Anyway, 2 ounces of the vodka, 3/4 of an ounce of the orange liqueur, 1/4 ounce of the Chambord for a little color and flavor, then 1 ounce of sour mix, bloop. That's how I concentrate. From here, we will just begin to shake this. Into this drink, I like to top it with a little citrus twist, to bring out the citrus flavors from the sour mix. And I'll do that by cutting a little twist off my lemon. And my name ain't big, but I keep that flame. We're gonna bring out the oils, express it right on top of this drink. French Martini.